Is it okay now?
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
Okay. So very good morning,
Very
Muskan.
good morning to you.
How are you doing these
How are
days?
you? I'm doing well. What about you?
I am also doing good these days. I am practicing a lot, and I'm very happy to do a conversation video with you. And I thank you so
I'm
much for
also happy to meet you.
a request. So as we are new to this conversation video, I think we have to start this video by introducing ourselves, right?
Yes, of course.
So
So now
first of
you
all,
can introduce
we'll
yourself.
start my introduction. So my name is Joseph Murmu, and I am from Jharkhand, Adumka district, and I'm a student. I'm doing my graduation this year, and I love playing cricket, football. I love dancing, singing, and this day I'm practicing more English because I love to learn something new day by day, and learning something is my hobby, as you can uh, as you can consider. So I love to learn something new day by day, every day. So now I'm practicing more on English because I'm very weak in English. And this is my okay. So this is my introduction. And
Okay, nice to hear that. So now it is my turn to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Muskan from Kashmir. As far
yeah,
as my qualification is concerned, I had done B.Ed, Masters. Apart from these, I had done M.Ed. If I talk about my hobbies, I love cooking, and these days I am passionate about learning this language. Yeah, whenever I get free time, I love spending with kids. That is all about me.
oh, so you have kid, right?
No, I don't have my own kid,
Oh,
my
your nephew.
sister's kid.
Oh,
Yeah, my
okay.
nephew.
So as you said that you love cooking, so what are the dishes you prepared for breakfast or for lunch or for dinner in Kashmir?
Usually, Kashmiri people usually eat rice twice. In morning
Right.
time, we have tea, salty tea. At 10 o'clock, we have sweet tea. 1 o'clock, we have rice with the green veggies are Kashmiri dishes. So 4 o'clock, we have salty tea again. And in evening time, we have rice again.
Wow, that's a very delicious, I think.
Yeah,
So,
I'm not good at cooking, but yes, whenever I cook for my family, so it makes me happy.
wow, that's a really good thing that you serve for your family. So
Yes.
I would like to know what are the popular dishes or breakfast in your state, because in my Jharkhand, I would like to tell you, in the breakfast we used to have a named breakfast named jhal mudi and chapati, and one is pudi sabji. These all we used
Okay.
to have in breakfast. In also you can get in street you will get easily if you ask something like this. Some jhal mudi are very famous in our area. So I would like to know
Mhm.
what is the popular breakfast in Kashmir.
Breakfast we take tea only with chapatis. Sometimes homemade chapatis, sometimes market chapatis. So, but yeah, matlab in lunch we eat rice and vegetable, green veggies. Sometimes red meat, mutton, chicken. Yes, all these
Uh,
things.
so
So I
it's
think you must have heard about Kashmiri famous food was one.
I have heard Kashmiri pulao or something like that.
Okay, Kashmiri pulao. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
What kind of dish is that? What is
There
that
are
actually?
many dishes. There are many dishes in Wazwan. Mm. Like rista, goshtaba, kebab,
Oh,
chicken, red meat, goshtab. Yeah, there are many dishes in Wazwan. But Wazwan is very tasty.
mhm.
So maybe you would come in Kashmir
I
anytime. So daytime you will
love to
come to
come.
know about Wazwan.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I will love to come, and I will have if I visit once there. So
Mm-hmm.
tell me,
Okay, as
uh,
you mentioned in your hobbies, like you said, your hobbies, you love dancing, singing. Which type of music do you listen?
music like these days I'm listening Bollywood music for dancing
Okay.
and all. I used to do hip hop dance. I do something freestyle. I have
Mhm.
some dancing videos.
So you are learning dance from YouTube or from any teacher?
Right now, I have skipped the dancing because this
Okay.
day I'm not getting time, as I said yesterday, and as well as I told you that I was having one previously. I have a
Mm-hmm.
YouTube channel. I think there are very less subscriber in that video in that YouTube channel. At that
Okay.
channel, I was doing only dance. I dance in that YouTube channel. I do short. That was a short video. I used to upload
Short
short video
videos.
dancing
Mm-hmm.
videos. So I'm not good at that much at dancing, but I used to practice and upload. But right now I have
Okay.
skipped that
You are
part.
fond of dancing.
Yeah, I love dancing. Still, I love dancing. If somewhere some DJs or something is some sounds come, then I would love to dance.
Okay. So good.
Hmm.
So, so as you said, like I think you have only mother with you.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I have
Okay.
my
Mm.
so my dad
So what does
actually
your mother do? She's a housewife or she's
exactly she's
working person?
no she's housewife only. She's we have land. We used to farm. We used to farm like paddy and
Okay, paddy
sometimes
farm.
yeah. So that we depend on that farm works only. We don't have any other jobs. We used to farm and for living we used to
Okay,
do that work.
you are doing work over there in
Yeah,
farm.
yeah, I do. I
Okay.
do with my parents because this is
What
our
all do you grow there in your
we do like
land?
vegetables also vegetables in vegetables like potato tomato all those green
And
vegetables.
do you sell that those things?
Yeah, we sell it to the market and from there we earn some money.
Okay,
So for vegetable and also we don't purchase from market. We don't go
market.
because
Hmm.
we get from our own land, so that is why we are lucky that we don't have
Yes,
to.
I know. Actually, I have a kitchen garden, so I'm also doing work over there. I grow everything in our kitchen garden.
Okay.
Yes,
uh, so what are the vegetable you have you have
everything.
every
Tomato, potato,
vegetable.
all green veg, bottle gourd, pumpkin,
Wow.
eggplants. Yeah, everything we grow there.
Interesting. You are
Yeah.
really a worker. You have such a
I'm I'm
ability.
living in village. So in village everyone knows about this work, how to grow, how to
Okay.
work in field. Yes. But we have also paddy field, but female don't work over there in paddy field. Many people work over there.
Mhm.
We work only in kitchen garden.
Okay. So that's good that at least you are doing some work and you are looking after your garden. You
Yes.
are gardening there.
Hmm.
So good to hear that from your side. And so let's talk about something about English. How was your journey about learning English? Please.
Okay, if I talk about my journey, so last year in July, I decided to learn this language, but that time I was not familiar about grammar rules. First, I joined an institution. I was taught there all grammar rules. Then,
Okay.
after that, in Feb month 2024, I started speaking. Yeah, since then, I have been speaking.
Mhm. Wow, interesting.
Yeah,
2004.
so what about you? Yeah, in
Uh,
Feb month 2024. I started
2020
speaking.
started, right?
Yes.
See, I study from a Hindi medium school, and still
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing
I
graduation in.
also.
But the good thing is that I'm doing my honors in English.
Okay. Hello, you are not visible to me. I think you have network issue.